Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through how to make an individual payment. Sign in to your account to begin. If you're paying someone new, first go to the recipients page to set them up in your account. If they're already in your list, visit Payments. Switch to the Single Payment tab. Choose the account you want to send the payment from. Select the currency and enter an amount. Choose the relevant payee from the drop-down menu. You'll only see recipients that are eligible for that currency. Enter a reference that makes sense to you. And choose a payment reason. Then, confirm. Review the payment information. If everything looks correct, click Pay. If your payments require approval, the appropriate administrators will be notified. Otherwise, your payment will be processed immediately.